Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the sheet and confirming permissions so you can edit. Once signed in, pick the File and check Sharing Access. Make sure you are an editor. Quickly inspect key columns and apply correct cell formats for dates and numbers so formulas behave. If you need offline access or add-ons, install them now. Doing these preparatory checks avoids errors downstream. Once done, move to data entry with consistent headers and locked ranges for critical cells. You now perform the core edits and add logic. Start by entering data under consistent headers and apply data validation to prevent bad inputs. Use formulas like SUM and lookup functions. Choose array formula for repeated patterns. Set conditional formatting to highlight outliers and create filters or a pivot table to summarize. If repeated steps persist, write a small app script or use macros to automate them. Make sure to test formulas on sample rows so results scale correctly. You finish by validating the sheet and sharing it correctly. Review version history to confirm changes and restore previous states if needed. Lock critical ranges and run a quick spell and consistency check. Share as comment only for review, then grant edit rights when approved and enable notifications so you track updates. If something breaks, check formula ranges and named ranges first, then refresh connected data and reapply formats. This one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.